Okay guys, in this video I am going to discuss why it is a terrible idea for you to trade on your phone. I'm going to go through the 5 reasons why you really need to stick to trading on a laptop or desktop computer, or at least, I don't know, connect your phone to a larger screen. Guys, this is R Trades back here with another video. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a shirt and tie, it is because I'm a licensed attorney here in the state of Texas and I was in the courthouse. I typically don't put on the tie for making videos, but I already had the tie on when I was at court, so here we go. All right, guys, so with that being said, there are 5 reasons that I can think of, and I'm sure that there are many more, why you really need to stop trading on your phone. And guys, I understand the widespread availability. First, let me get this out of the way. I understand the widespread availability of trading mobile apps. In fact, I've done many trades on TradingView mobile. In fact, today I think I lost 100. What did I lose? I lost $100 here, $131 in trading on my phone. Here's the 5 main reasons why you really should stop trading on your phone that I can think of, although there's many more. Number 1, guys, it's a small screen. Even if you have like a Galaxy or an Android phone, it's not going to be that 15 to 17-inch monitor that a laptop or desktop monitor is going to be. In an ideal scenario, guys, if you are trying to day trade and you're trying to day trade seriously, not only are you using risk management, trading the right account size, money management, all of the technical aspects of day trading properly, you also need to be using the right equipment. And your phone, guys, day trading is very simple. You just need a computer. Ideally, if you had a professional day trading setup, you've got one monitor up to many monitors, probably 3 or 4 monitors, at least a dual screen monitor, so you have lots of screen real estate. With that being said, guys, this is just not the way to go about it. The item number 1 is your phone is too small of a screen. You cannot see enough of the price action. You cannot see the markets here. If you're looking at the right side of the screen, you can't see your market watch list, which any modern trading platform, NinjaTrader, Sierra Charts, Jigsaw, TradingView, TradeStation, TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, whatever sort of modern trading platform that you're using, it's going to have a watch list somewhere on it. Even TopStepX has a watch list on it, where you can sort by your change percentages and see which one of the futures markets are moving today. Okay, guys, so you can't really easily see your watch list on the phone. That's not to say you can't see your watch list at all. Of course you can. They make the mobile apps they're good apps, but they're not big enough, guys. They're not big enough on your screen. And if you're using technical indicators like the average true range, if you are putting a lot of drawings on your chart like I tend to do when I'm trading, you're trying to use ICT concepts, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, even, guys, if you're using the volume profile. I know a lot of you use the volume profile. Guys, that's going to be difficult to see on your phone. It's just going to be difficult, if not impossible, to see on your phone. Save your time, save your money. Don't try and load up all your indicators or your watch list on your phone. I just wouldn't recommend doing it, guys. It's too small of a screen. So number 2 is your lack of access to drawing tools, and then I put in brackets easily. Of course, on TradingView Mobile, I can click with my finger and I can add in one drawing at a time. But notice here on the mobile app, I can draw trend lines, I can draw brush tool, highlight, use my favorite tools, and I can get out all of this stuff in a very quick manner of time, guys. And I've got drawing templates. So I can open up my rectangle, and I don't know why it's saying that I don't have a drawing template, but I have many of them. Fair value gap, look, I can add a drawing template here. I can add a Fibonacci tool. I've got a number of different templates that I can add. I can't really do this on the phone very easily. Can I do it very slowly and tediously? Yes, I can, but it's, I'm scrolling around on my finger, guys, and these markets are moving fast. And you're not going to be able to put out the drawings that you want fast enough and with enough clarity on price action from your phone, even if you've got a larger phone. So, guys, it's just not a good idea from that perspective. Your lack of easy access to drawing tools is another item that I think goes along not trading on your phone. Number 3, Lack of access to the depth of market easily. Again, can you get on the depth of market on your phone? Yes. Are you going to be able to follow the ladder? The ladder's nice and easy, like you can here on the computer, especially if you have a dual screen monitor setup where you can have the ladders on one side and your price chart, your visual price chart on the other. Do you have enough screen real estate on the phone to really see the, I think this is like, what, 7 points of ladder, or like 20, 30 ticks of ladder of depth of market? Guys, no. The answer is no. You're not going to be able to see that very easily on your phone. So that's another item, your kind of lack of access to the depth of market in a way that really works. That's not, I'm not clicking on my phone to see it. Number 4 is, guys, if you are trading on your phone, you are almost certainly distracted. There's a reason why you're trading on your phone. It's probably because you're going to work, you're in the car. God forbid you trade and drive. Oh, no. Here's the deal, guys. But seriously, if you are trading on your phone, you're almost certainly doing something else. You're almost certainly doing something else that requires your attention. And these markets move fast. They move fast. Your money can be gone like that. Okay, believe me. And so, should you be doing that while you're doing something else? The answer is no. Now, number 4, so I talked about distractions, guys. If you are trading on your phone, then you are certainly almost doing something else as well. That really should probably have your attention. Number 5, I want to talk to you about my personal experience. Guys, no doubt in my mind, although I don't have detailed trading logs, there is no doubt in my mind that I have a significantly worse strike rate trading on my phone than trading on my computer. That's not to say I haven't taken losses on my phone. I have, of course, taken losses on my phone. With that, on the computer. I mean to say I have taken losses on the computer. With that being said, guys, my strike rate on the phone goes even further down. This is not to mention sort of addictive behavior or compulsive behavior that really can be a detriment to your trading. I imagine that there's many of you that are like me, where you wake up in the morning, you're on this thing, trading from your phone the second that you wake up. That's not good. That's not good. When you trade, you should not only have the right equipment, but you should have the right mindset. The right equipment is a laptop computer or a desktop computer, preferably with multiple monitors. It's the right software, like a desktop software. So I don't necessarily recommend using a cloud-based software, although like TopStep X is fine. I've used TradeStation, the web browser based, but I think preferably you're using software that's a desktop software, which is why I use TradingView Desktop. Okay, then guys, you should have at least 15 to 17 inches of screen real estate. So you should make sure that your laptop is large enough to where you have plenty of screen real estate, where you can have a watch list up, you can have the ladders moving, and then you can have the price chart. That doesn't have to be TradingView. You can be on Sierra Chart, Jigsaw, Thinkorswim, plenty of other options for you to use other than TradingView. I'm just saying, preferably, in my opinion, you should be using a desktop trading application or software. You should definitely not be just only trading on your phone. Now, I understand that many of my audience come from Brazil, Africa, Eastern Europe. I don't know what your laptop computer prices look like over there, but what I can tell you is that if you can get a $200 to $300 laptop that you can pay off, I think it's worth it, guys. I'm advising you, although this is not financial advice, I'm advising you that you should trade using the right equipment, and it's not your phone. It's a larger screen, it's a desktop, it's a laptop. Maybe even a tablet, although, again, I don't think you should really be pointing with the phone. I think you should be using a mouse and pad. So, guys, with that being said, in this video, I went over the 5 reasons that I can think of why you should not trade on your phone. Number 1, it's way too small of a screen. Even if you got the biggest Galaxy Android phone out there, it's not big enough. You really need either multiple monitors, or even if you're only using one monitor, a 13 to 17 inch laptop monitor at a minimum. And ideally, if you have a good trading setup, you're going to have multiple monitors. Number 2, you have the lack of access to your drawing tools easily. If you're having to click with your finger, you can't draw them fast enough. The markets are fast. Look at how quickly, this is just the micro ES, the NASDAQ and crude oil move even faster. They move quickly. And you can be up and down hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars literally within seconds. Within 20 seconds, your account, all of your money can be gone. So you really should not be having to point and click with your finger, to get your fib drawing or your trend line. That's kind of ridiculous. So no, you have a lack of access to drawing tools on the phone, regardless of the software that you're using. Number 3, your lack of access to the depth of market. Guys, you don't have to use the ladders, but I like using the ladders because this is how I like to set my limit orders. This is also how I like to set my stop orders. So if you use control, maybe it's not going to work on TradeStation, but typically, guys, if you have a position in, you can use control, and that will change it to a stop order. At a minimum, you can use the ladder to set a limit order a few ticks above or below the market, so you can just get that extra few ticks. Which really you can't do on your phone very easily. So the depth of market is something that I want to make sure that I'm able to use. If, in addition, you like to use volume profile, you like to use the volume profile which comes in on the side of the screen, or volume by price, you're not going to be able to see that very easily on the phone. It's not going to make any sense to you on the phone. So again, any amount of drawings, indicators, technical tools that you're using, they don't look very good, and there's just not enough room on the phone. And you can't make the drawings fast enough. Number 4, if you are trading using your cellular device, you are doing something else. That's not to say that you can't watch the market on your phone. Just don't trade it on your phone. But you can watch it, but don't trade it. Or if you have to click a button, go on your, not your prop account, but your SIM account, your fake money account that you didn't have to pay any dollars for. So guys, if you are trading on your phone, you're almost certainly doing something else. My recommendation, guys, is get a travel bag and take your damn laptop with you. If you have to, take it with you. Just take it with you. Number 5, my personal experience. Guys, no doubt in my mind that my strike rate or my success in day trading is way worse on the phone. You wake up, you look at your phone, you start trading immediately when you're tired. That's not the right setup, guys. That's amateur hour. Have I done that before? Yes, I have. You go to sleep, you're still looking at the market on your phone as you go to sleep. You're placing in the buy, sell, as you're going to sleep. Bad idea. Very, very bad idea. Very unprofessional. That's amateur hour as well. Guys, there's really not a whole lot of good that comes from trading on your phone. In fact, there's really none. So with that being said, guys, if you are looking to improve your trading, you're looking to trade in a more professional manner, even if you are only an amateur trader, consider not trading on your phone. Okay, guys, this has been R Trades, advocating that you trade using a laptop or desktop computer and avoid day trading using your phone. Okay, guys, we will be back with another video. This is R Trades. I'll be back with another video later in the day. Thank you, guys. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe.